Hello! Thanks for joining us for another featured application video. Today we are making a mini t-shirt display on Troglass clear acrylic. Start by loading your material into the laser and uploading the file to Ruby. Create the job, rotate and center your file, and select your material. You can download this file in the description box below. Once that's done, you can go ahead and hit Start on the laser. This file is for miniature t-shirts, but you can always adjust the file to be run on a larger system for full-sized shirts. You can create this application using different colored acrylic or wood. See what materials we have to offer at engraving-supplies.com or the link below. Once the laser finishes processing, remove the material and peel off the protective layers. The two pieces should slide into place easily. Add your mini t-shirt and you are ready to display. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos and leave any questions in the comments below. See you next time!